Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, after about 2 weeks, or a little bit over 2 weeks, the question will be answered. These three are going to be opened because I made 2 separate videos, and it turns out on the first one there was 3 for open, then the second one for the same thing was 2 for, 3 for open, and then the second one was 2 for use them in a giveaway. So yeah, since 3 is 1 more than 2, for the comments that I was looking for open or giveaway, I will be opening these 3. Now these 2 were not in that discussion, but I was planning on opening those 2 anyway, so yeah. I hope you're all okay with me adding a few more bonus cards, just 2, because these other 3 would take a bit more time to open, so yeah, that's why I'm not going to include them, but I'm probably going to include those 2 in a separate video, along with the 3 that I'm not going to open, because those are the cards I had got for my birthday, for Diecast card birthday shopping today. It was only 5 cards in total, so yeah. And there's 5 cards here, so you're technically going to see 7 of 10 cards get opened, but not all 10. But you're going to see 10 cards in total, just not all of them open though. So yeah, I will be back with these 5 cards open shortly. There's the Opel Cadet GTE/C opened. There's taillight design and detail, but no headlight ones. And then next up is the 36 Ford Coupe. And for anyone wondering why the screen goes black, it's because I'm not using my hands-free camera, although I should have done that, but didn't think about that right now. There's the 36 Ford Coupe unboxed, and yeah, there will be a few other cars here and there in the background. And I think everyone should be okay with that, because these videos are about diecast cars anyway. Even though those are the ones that weren't meant to be in here, they might just be in the background for a few quick seconds here and there, so yeah, just be aware of that too. Next up, 3 Series Touring Wagon in black. I'm yet to find the Super Chase, but it seems like a lot of people are finding the Ford Bronco Super Chase so far, but I'm one of those few people who haven't, and I know there's a few other collectors that haven't found it yet either, because their stores aren't on this mix of Matchbox cars, or something else is happening in other places, which is why they're not finding the Super Chase. But I know a lot of USA, Target, Walmart, King Supers, or other toy stores that sell cars may or may not have the Super Chase mix for the Bronco, which has this one in it and those 2 as well. So yeah, if you see these 3 cars right here, you have a chance to maybe find the Super Chase Bronco. And apparently, you can find it with, one Mercedes or multiple. Because, I just watched someone else's video, and I'm just going to give a quick fact, is that, when they found it, they, found it, with a bunch of cases, and they found multiple of the Super Chases. Now, surprisingly, what, they could have done, in just my opinion, is they could have, bought all of them and, given them away to people who aren't going to find them or something. Because, that's a nice thing to do. That's just my opinion, but I don't want to backtrack too far away from the main point of this video, which is actually opening cars, so yeah. Let's, go back and not focus on, Super Chase talk, even though I have 2 of them anyways, but not the Bronco. It's the Corvette from last year. The final mix from last year anyways. But, yeah, enough talk about cars not being open. It's time to refocus on cars that will be opened. So yeah, there's the 3 Series Touring Wagon opened. Unfortunately, this is something else I didn't want to bring up in this video, but I kind of have to, is phone's getting low on storage space, so I may have to start hurrying up a bit. So yeah, there's all 5 cars opened from this video. And yes, I have entered the question for the 3 Matchbox cars. The 2 Hot Wheels cars were not in the giveaway or open question video that I made 2 separate ones of, about a little bit over a week from each other. So yeah, the question has been answered. I did open them. I hope you liked this video. Bye everyone, thanks for watching. And if you hear the talk about the Super Chase stuff, let me know what you think you would do if you find multiple Super Chases for Matchbox cars, whether it was the Corvette or the Bronco, in the comments below in this video. And also have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.